Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Yes, welcome back to the class, my dear students. Welcome back to class, dear students. In previous class, we learned what comparison of numbers like a greater than, less than, or equal. These all things we learned. Did you remember it or no? Please. Did you remember or no? Please check. Okay. What we learned? Comparison of numbers either greater than or less than or equal to. Yes, yes. Or put the correct sign. Both things we learned. Yes, yes. Now we will go to our class. What is that? Ring the greater number. What is this? Ring the greater number. You know this. Yes, yes. In last year you learned. Yes, yes. Now see here. What is the question given to you? Ring the greater number. Means here we will give like a certain numbers like a 4, 5. Among that you have to select the bigger number. This is your new topic. Okay. Please concentrate and listen carefully. Okay, my dears? Yes. See now A given for you. And don't think there is a circle for this. Okay. Just see the numbers. First number given to you 93 and second number 65, then 32 and 21. Okay. Now you see the numbers. When you are correcting, you have to look that what is the first number given to you. What is the first number here, my dear students? It is a 9. 6, then 3 and 2 means which is there in the tens position. Why I am specifying only tens position? Because here we given for you only double digit number. You see here 1, 2 numbers only. Yes, double digit, 2 numbers. So when you will get the numbers, first sequence, you have to see the first number. First number in the sense, usually we will go to like this. Yes, we will count like that. No, but we have to see from this number. Okay, 9, then what? 6, then 3, then 2. Okay, now among all these 4 numbers, which is the big number? Automatically 9. Yes, so this is the greater number. So this is the greater number. Clear? Now number B. See here. 101, 132, 112, 119. You see here? Yes. 101, 132, 112 and 119. Now what I said you, my dear students, check the first number. See here, what is there? 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. And here also 1. Teacher, all numbers are same. Yes, yes. Now what you must do? You have to check the second digit number. Here what given for you? 0. And here 3. And here 1 again. And here 1 again. So what is the number now? Which is the bigger? 132. Why 3 is the bigger than other 3 numbers? Yes or no? Yes. So we must circle 132. Okay. Now come back to number C. See here 243, 235. Now 301 and 297. See these 3 numbers. Now again you have to come back to read 2, 2. Here what? 3. Here what? 2. So you know all other is 2, but only this number is 3. So which is the bigger number? This is the number bigger, which is number 301. Yes, dears? Yes. Now go to D. See here. 403, 481, 404, 444. Okay, all numbers belongs to 400s. Yes, 403, 481, 404, and 444. Okay, see here, first number, what all numbers are having same number, 444. Yes, yes. So what we must do, check the second number, 4. Here what, 0. Here what, 8. Here what, 0. Two numbers are having 0. Two numbers are having, sorry, two numbers are having 0, and two numbers, one is having like a 8. One number is having 8, another number is having 4. So among 8 and 4, which is bigger? Automatically 8 is bigger. So you have to circle 481. And now come back to the E. Here what, 500, 501, 507, 510. Which is the bigger, my dear? 500 or 501 or 507 or 501. I told you what first digit you must see. See here, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then go. Here what is 0. Here 0. Here 0. Here what, 1. So this is the greater number. Like this we have to see the numbers. Which is the greater or smaller. This is the easy way, my dear students. That's why I taught you in this way. Otherwise, we can see the numbers directly. 93 is bigger, or 65 is bigger, or 32 is bigger, or 21 is bigger. You have to check. Okay. 93 automatically bigger than other numbers. So we will circle the 93. Is it clear? Yes. Now we will go to second topic. Ring the smaller number. Ring the smaller number. Before we did what? Ring the greater number. Now we are doing ring the smaller number. See here. 10, 20, 30, 40. What I said you, my dear, when you are comparing the numbers, I told you, see the first number. What is this here? 1, and here 2, and here 3, here 4. So which is the number? 1 is smaller. So we have to circle the 1. 1 is smaller. So we have to circle the 1. Okay, dears? Yes. Now here and again come down. Second number means number B. 21, 23, 8, and 7. See here this is a double digit number, means 21, here 23, and here 8, and here 7. This one no need to compare. Here see how many digits are there, single digit. So 8 is bigger or 7 is bigger? 7 is smaller. So we have to circle the 7. Yes, yes. Like this we have to compare, my dear students. Okay? Yes. Now here, number C. Here 40, 33, 31, and 20. Which is the bigger? 40 is the bigger. Which is the smaller? 20 is the smaller. How? You have to see the numbers again. 4, 3, 3, 2. So 2 is the smaller number. So we have to circle the smaller number. Why? Because it is the ring the smaller number. Yes, my dears? Yes. Now number 4, 32, 22, 11, and 40. See the numbers here, 3, 2, 1, 4. Among all this number, 1 is smaller. Yes or no? So we have to circle 1. Understood? Like this we have to circle. It's very easy. Yes? Yes. Now number E. See here, 41, 10, 30, 44. You can see the numbers 4, 3, 1, 4. 4, 1, 3, 4. So, which is smaller? 1 is smaller. So, we have to circle the 10. We have to circle 10. Yes? Yes. Now, see here. We will give you some questions as a choose the correct answer. Now, you have to answer, my dear students. Okay? Which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? Which is, can you say? I will give you two numbers. Sorry. I gave you 4 numbers. See here. 35, 35, 49, 77 and 19. What I told you, dear students, you have to see the first number is, this is 3, this is 4, this is 7, this is 1. Which is the bigger? Any guess? Who is saying the answer? But I am saying 7 is bigger than other numbers. Means 77 is bigger number. I mean greater number. Let me check. Yes, the answer is 77. Yes, yes, I am correct. Yes, darlings, yes. Next question. Choose the correct answer again. Here, which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? Again, you got 4 numbers. Now, somebody has to say this answer is yes. See here the numbers given to you: 65, 75, 25, and 85. Okay, this number, when you come back here, are all 5, so no need. So we have to come how? 6, 7, 2, 8. So which is the bigger number? 6 or 7 or 2 or 8? I guess 8 is the bigger number. So answer is 85. Yes? Yes. Now next question. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? Again 4 numbers, you got it on the screen. See here. 19, 55, 85, 64. So first see 1, 5, 8, 6. Which is, I choose 1, means 19. Is it correct? Let me see. Yes, it is the answer. Okay. Which is the smallest number is 19. Yes, yes. Again, choose the smallest number. Again, 4 numbers on the screen. See here, 69, 58, 32, 88. 69, 58, 32, 88. So check now. 6, 5, 3, 8. So which is the smaller number, my dear? I will choose 32. Yes, we will check the answer. Yes, answer is 32. Yes, this is the smaller number, means smallest number. Yes, I hope you understand the concept. Yes, yes. Please, if you did not, ask me personally. Okay, my dear students? Yes. Good job. Well done, my dear students. I hope you understand well these things. And what we learned today, we learned greater or smaller number, means we have to circle the greater number or smaller number. This concept we are learning when you was in class 1 onwards. Yes, I hope so. You all are understand well. I hope. Thank you, dear students. God bless you and stay healthy. We will meet you in the next class. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, dear students.